My name is Nanda Parmana Aji. I am a OSM student. I will explain about describe process, describe function, describe advantage and disadvantage, cause effect and give advice or suggestion, and explain your skill. First, I will explain about describe process. What is describe process? Describe process is a way to describe or describe a process or step. In compiling the describe process, you only focus on using simple present tense, or you can also use simple future tense and model. Simple present tense is used for daily conservation or for daily activities or daily routines. Simple future tense is used for event that will come or will occur in future. Simple future tense is synonymous with the word will, and will be replaced by other model like can, must, should, and might. For example, how to open the Instagram application. First, you take your phone. Second, you turn on your phone. Then choose application Instagram. After that, click symbol of Instagram. Then you must write your email and you can write your password in the box of username and password. Okay, next I will explain about describe function. Describe function explain how to describe or explain the function. Here, you focus on using simple present tense or you can also use simple future and model. For example, Google Drive. Google Drive has function to save file or document. Then, I will explain about describe process. Sorry, describe advantage and disadvantage. Describe advantage and disadvantage. Explain how to describe or explain the advantage and disadvantage. Here, you focus on using simple present tense or you can also use simple future and model. For example, advantage. If you use Google Drive, you can save file in one place and you can access them from anywhere and share with anywhere. Disadvantage. You cannot be able to use Google Drive if you don't have internet network. For I will explain the cause effect and give advice or suggestion. In this discussion, we are still focused on the use simple present tense, simple future, and model. If we talk about cause and effect, there must be the word cause and effect here. For example, my computer has a problem on the blue screen. It can happen because damage to the driver. Therefore, my computer screen turned blue. So you have to fix the computer at the computer repair place. Finally, I will explain how to write about your ability. You can use simple future tense and model. For example, I want to tell you about my skill after I study in or at OSM. Initially, I did not like the work of informatics because its work is always dealing with computer for hours. But I was amazed by the sophistication generated by the world of informatics. Finally, I decided to study information technology at OSM. After I studied at OSM, my ability improved. First, I can operate a computer properly. Secondly, I can also use some software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Balsamiq Mockup Tool, MySQL, Anaconda, Python. Then also have the ability to create a web via HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Although I must admit the quality of my coding cannot be said to be good. That's all my explanation about the material might be useful.